Hi there, Bo Miller here from Boutique Realty. I'm just out at Thagoona today and I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of this beautiful 4-bedroom home. So as you can see, we are out in the countryside. We're on an acreage lot. It is a 1 acre lot, and at the end of the street you can walk down to the train station at Thagoona. So inside, pop down the hallway to the right. I'm going to take you through to the family room. This is perfect for children. We've got 2 bedrooms on this side, a powder room. They're really good sized rooms, ceiling fans throughout, security screens, built-in cupboards. It's already set up with the smoke alarm compliance for 2022, so there's a smoke alarm in every bedroom. Sort of grey tones on the carpets, white blinds, roller blinds throughout. This is your family bathroom. Huge bath. Okay. Got the granite bench tops, so they're quite lovely. And here we go, here's bedroom number 4. They are really good sized rooms. As you can see, empty, so almost brand new home. We'll just head through into the living room. There's a large double garage, so access under, turn the light on for you. Shelving in here as well. Excellent size laundry. And here is your kitchen and open plan. So the oven is the largest size built-in oven with gas cooktop. There is a walk-in pantry, stainless dishwasher, air conditioned in here. There's a puppy dog that is desperate to come inside. Another living area. So there's 3 living areas. This is a really good size. Could be an entertaining dining or a media room. Lovely. And then we'll head on into the section of the home with the master bedroom, air conditioned as well, ceiling fans, big walk-in robe. Bathroom, double vanity. We'll pop out and say hi to the puppy dog out here. Hello, how are you doing? All right, so massive undercover area here, overlooking to the backyard. Hey, gorgeous. There is fully fenced in here. The shed is powered. They tell me there's power points on every pole, so perfect setup there. Obviously gate access to come through from the side. You'll notice it is on the biocycle septic system out here, but it is on town water. So there is access to town water. Lovely. So we're really looking forward to showing you this one over the weekend. If you are interested in this area, Thagoona is located really close to the Amberley Air Base. We're walking distance to the rail, as I said before. You've got Walloon in the other direction and about 20 minutes into the Ipswich CBD. Yeah, really good access into the highways as well. So looking forward to showing you through. Reach out, my number is 0411 439 437, and we will talk to you then.